go to the next subject, which is to change permissions, policies, or other settings in just a few clicks. So this works in multiple places within ShareVault. For example, I can select multiple tags by holding down the Shift key, the standard trick that you would use in Windows, or I can hold down on Windows the Control key, or on Mac the Command key to select a discontinuous set of tags. And the same thing would work for files. And what I can do is go in here and make changes to those permissions. The dots mean that there's no change. The checkbox means that you're going to add that group to have permissions to this, and that means you're going to remove that group from having permissions. And then it flips back to dot, which means no change. So you can, and then once you grant permission, you can pick a policy that you're going to be granting to that group. Okay, so that's how you can change policies, permissions in a big hurry for lots of tags. The other thing you can do is you can, let's say I have a number of groups here. I can select this first group with, let me actually turn all the permissions off here. Okay, I can select this first group and hold down the Shift key, and you'll notice that it checks everything in between. All right, so I've just checked all of these groups and they're all highlighted. And right here, I can pick on a single policy and it applies it to all the groups. So some of our customers actually have hundreds of groups, and you can just very quickly apply that to all the groups that you have selected. So that just saves a ton of clicking right there. I'll show you how you can use it over on the Users and Groups page in a moment as well. So again, multi-select, make the change, and it will apply that change to everything that's selected. And the same thing goes for the Users and Groups page. If I hop over the Users and Groups page and select, let's say, a group here, I go to Permissions, and I decide that for, oops, I might have expanded it. There we go. I select, I'm going to hold down the Shift key. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger by dragging this up. And then I'm going to use my Command key on the Mac to select all these different tags here. And then I can change the policy in one go here. I'm going to change all these policies to Access Original. Oops, my mistake. I did something that deselected it. So I can select all those and change it to Access Original, and it changes everything that I have selected to Access Original. Okay, so basically, multi-select is a great shortcut from being able to apply lots of changes to lots of items, whether they be tags, groups, or documents in just a couple of clicks. So that right there for a large ShareVault can save you actually hours of time.